Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the highly requested tissue nails without nail glue. But before we do that, I'm going to give a quick shout out to Sabanavid. Thank you so much for watching my videos and commenting great ideas. And if you want to be featured in my next shout out, comment something down below. So we're going to dive right into this video. I don't know if this has already been done before. It worked really well, the nails were hard, and it was like I used nail glue. Anyway, begin with some nail prep. First I just sanitized my hands, and then pushed back my cuticles. Nail prep is completely optional, by the way. It just helps the nails stick better and last longer. Next, lightly buff the surface of your nails. And then apply a base coat. This would just protect your natural nail from any damage. Now to make the actual nails, begin by cutting strips of tissue. Next, stack the strips on top of each other. That was hard. And then fold it in a zigzag kind of way. I know that it made 0 sense, but just watch the clip. Because we folded it in this specific way, then chop off the ends. Now we have a stack of tissues. Cut out the shape of your nail. I'm making a full nail, so it's kind of like press-ons. But you can make tips if you want. Now I'm separating all the layers. So now we're going to make the secret formula. Psych, it's only glue and cornstarch. So add glue and cornstarch onto something and mix it until you get a thick paste. If it's too thin, add more cornstarch. And if it's too thick, add some glue. Now apply a thin layer of this glue to your nail. And then attach one of the tissue pieces. Then cover the whole thing with paste and then stick another one directly on top. This will create a nice area around the cuticle. After you put on this second piece, put the other nails a little bit above the cuticles. This is so that the cuticle area will be thin and it will make it look more natural. Guys, by the way, if you have any video suggestions or things you would like me to try, comment down below. I put all the nails on so far, and as you can see, it's looking quite thick. When it dries, it kind of shrinks. But anyways, cut them to the length you want it to be. And then carefully peel it off your nail. Then try to reshape it using your fingers and place it onto a plastic surface to dry for at least 24 hours. So I made the other nails, and this is after 24 hours. As you can see, it's quite hard and the thickness has really calmed down. Now you're going to want to take a nail file and shape the nails on the sides, the cuticle area, the back of the nail, and the front of the nail. You want to make sure it's as smooth as possible so that when you paint them, the nail polish will look smooth. Then just buff over the nails. I'm pretty sure this takes the scratches out. Next, attach them to your nails. I used nail glue, or you can use nail polish or nail glue, whatever you prefer. So pretty much this is what they're looking like. And as you can see, they're not that bad. So to help them last longer, cover the entire thing with base coat. Do a few layers to make them like waterproof. Next I took some pink polish and painted the nails. But then I ended up changing my mind and went with this other colour. Big mistake. I didn't realise how it looked, so I just changed it again off camera. Ugh, I told you. Should have just left it pink. I just applied some cuticle oil. If you don't have any, try using coconut oil. I'm going to leave some top tips in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and family. Bye!